The next thing we would need to do is to define this sketch. One of the things we will need to do first is delete this 1.25 dimension. And the reason why is we need to make some modifications to this circle so we only keep this part of the circle that creates the arc. So let's go ahead and delete this 1.25 dimension by selecting it and pressing your delete key. On the drawing that you are using, the center of that circle is going to be 1.187 units from the top edge of the sketch. So we'll create a sketch dimension from the top of the sketch to the center of the circle. We'll place that dimension and type in 1.187 and press enter. The other thing that we will need to do is make this circle tangent to this vertical line. So we will use a constraint, and specifically the tangent constraint. We will select the circle and then select the vertical line. That'll make that circle tangent to that line. To create the curve, we will need to trim some of the circle that we have, so we're left with this piece. So we'll go to our modify section and select trim. And we will click on the parts of the circle that we want to delete, which will be this part of the circle and this one. We will also need to delete or trim these two lines. So we'll go to modify and trim and click on this portion of the vertical line and this portion of the horizontal line. So what you noticed happened was the dimension that was going from the top to the bottom has now been deleted, so we'll need to put that dimension back. And it should still say 3.312, so just press enter for that. The other dimension that we will need to put back will be the distance from this vertical line to this one, which is going to be, it should still be 1.25. So just press enter for that. And we need to add the radius of this arc, which is 1.375, and press enter. Add the coincident constraint between the bottom left corner of the sketch and the origin point. And we will also need to know what the distance is from this line to this one, which on the drawing, it will indicate that it is 2.187 from the bottom to this point. So we'll create a sketch dimension from this line to the bottom. Type in 2.187 and press enter. That should define the sketch. And once the sketch has been defined, you will select Finish Sketch.